In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the URL of your product in your Stan store. To get started, you'll log in to Stan. You'll end up in your admin area on your home page, and then you will click on My Store to go to your products. You'll find the product that you want to change the URL and click on that. It will take you to where you edit products. So here we're going to click on Options, and then once we click on Options, we will scroll down to where it says Advanced. Click the little drop down here, and you'll see that your page URL is right here. By default, Stan creates these URLs with this long section at the end based on what your product has as the title description. So if you have something long that's like Get the YouTube Video Ideas Planner, which I have for this YouTube Video Ideas Planner, it uses all those words in the URL. And here you can edit it so it's shorter. So they will have this random string of numbers always at the end. So we can remove it here, but you'll see that it does pop up again. So I'm going to remove all of the parts that I don't think are important and just change this to YouTube Planner. So that's a lot shorter, a lot simpler, and that way it will be a much shorter URL that we send to customers. And if you're ever just sharing this on the go or saying it in a video or putting it on your video screen, this can be just a lot simpler to share with people. So this is what I want it to be. So I'm going to click publish, and that should be the page URL. To check that, we are going to go to the three dots, click copy URL, and then we are going to put it in and see what it looks like. So like I said, it does have that string of letters and numbers after what we entered. That is not currently something you can remove. I did check with Stan. So you can see I actually did email Stan about the URLs to see if I was doing something wrong. So I learned that the letters, according to Stan, are necessary for functional reasons in their platform. So they help with tracking analytics and differentiating different aspects of your products in your store. So differentiating things that are in your store versus landing pages that are separate from your store but are still sent to customers. So when you create a product with a landing page, you can shorten it, but you will always still have those letters and numbers at the end. So just be aware of that. That is how Stan just decided to handle it. So you can, of course, go to the product and shorten the URL. So it's not incredibly terribly long if you go to options and then advanced, like I said, and you can adjust that. But just remember that you will, for now, have that little bit at the end. So that's how you change a URL on your product in Stan Store. I hope this was very helpful, and definitely watch this video on Stan next.